I want to share a story how we failed on AI automation projects. So it's not an easy one. So the worst part is that the client came through the referral, and we spent 3 months of hard work with a team of two engineers. And at the end, the client wasn't satisfied with our solution. And this is the thing that don't have anything with your technical capability or how you are good at building the AI agents and automation. It is more about the scoping and alignment and understanding of what client ultimately wants. So the first thing is client approach us with a very good brief, like sketched what they ultimately want, process mapped every step in their content creation process and so on. So we looked at this and we said, okay, yeah, there is a possibility to automate this end to end. So, and I think this is the beginning of our failure because of the one thing. We didn't uh, get into the like a deep scoping with about this automation. We start building this almost immediately, and this is the mistake that we did. And I want to share this with you, like before you start building any more complex automation that involves multiple teams or multiple people. I suggest you to do a very deep scoping and multiple scenarios that can happen in the process before you start building. Because building right now, I don't want to say it's easy part, it's still very complex one, but understanding the possible scenarios that can happen in the process and making the good alignment within your team or your client is very important one while you're building AI automations. So what we did, we spent 2 or 3 months in building this automation, and we had also word proof of concept. So the proof of concept in our heads and in their heads look completely differently. So the proof of concept for us was, okay, we will make the functional solution for you, okay? And for them, it was the end-to-end working automation that can replace almost their entire processes. So this is also very important part of the scoping and of the getting alignment with your team, client, whenever you work on the AI automations. Really get what the expectations are in the time frame and scope this properly. So we learned a couple of things, like the scoping is very important part. The second thing is what the success looks like proof of concept, what is the proof of concept and what done means, actually. One is the tool stack and selection of the tools and softwares, AI agent models, etc., comes after you understand the entire automation workflow, not before. And the fourth one is like always understand what success looks like, what happens if this doesn't work, and the answer that at the kickoff, and then you are actually ready to build the automation. So as you can see here, there is like technical things and doing like engineering work, even in AI automation, is just part of the puzzle. Very important part of the puzzle is like how you get the right alignment and how automation you build fit into the existing process and the existing system. So this is our learning. Happy to share more of these, but as well what was your main mistakes and what you learned from them while you build the AI automations.